What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about the good cards. Let's start. First, it is this card. It is a frog in an egg, and it is a CR. This is a frog in the egg. Okay. Now we will move on to the second card. This is a kitty in an astronaut bag. It is a UR and it is 200 fire and it has a space background. It's so cute. The cat is in the astronaut backpack and it has a circle thing in. Okay, the third card. It is this card. This card looks like the Poseidon, and it is 800 fire, and it is a UR. It's so cool. It has an ocean background, and it has royal clothes. Yeah, the fourth card. This is like the fire god. It has 800 fire, a UR, like the opposite of the Poseidon. Okay, now it has I got this. You guys have seen this, right? It has the same background, so it may be together. Yeah. Let's go. Now it is this butterfly. It wears like a backpack and it gives you wings. It won't let you fly, but 200 fire, you are a solid 8.5 out of 10. Yeah. Okay. This is like a tree blade baby, and it is 200 fire. You are it has cool backgrounds and it has shining glow mouth. This is a blue cashew. It is an SSR, a 200 fire, and it is free out of 3 star. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 star out of 10. So this is supposed to mean 7 out of 10. Yeah. Move to another card. Okay. This card is 200. 200. It is a dog in an astronaut costume. It is SSR and it is 7 out of 10. Yeah. It has a space background. It has a sun up here, and then some stars here, and a planet. Okay, continue. This is a hamster with a girl hair and an outfit, school outfit, and it is a hamster. It has 200 fire, SSR, and again 7 out of 10. Okay, this is an angel, 600 fire. It's an SSR, but it's 8 out of 10, so it's good. And this angel has a space background. I don't know if it is correct. Comment down below what is the answer. And it has some shining feathers, white feathers, and a cloud. And it has a yellow ring upstairs. It looks so cool. Okay, we talked about this, but this is another double. Okay, this cat. You didn't hear the sound, but one box I said is a Halloween themed. Yeah, this is a mummy cat with some Halloween hat, a Halloween ghost spider, and this one is the slime. Yeah, so this is a Halloween themed mummy cat. Oh, when I see this, I actually think it is a Gem Godzilla, but it is not. It is 600 fire SSR, and it is a solid 7 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, this reminds me of Adopt Me in Roblox, the albino bat. It has 200 fire SSR, and it is 7 out of 10. This is the polar bear. It is so cute. It is in the space again, a space background, a planet, and 3 stars and 1 pink star. It is a 7 out of 10, but I will give it a 9 out of 10 because it's so cute. Okay, now we will move on to the SSR tools. This is like a treasure map, but it's 100 fire and SSR, and it is a 6 out of 10. This is a ukulele. It is 100 fire SSR, and it is another 6 out of 10. This is a flying horse, I guess, and it is 100 fire SSR and 6 out of 10. Okay. Now it is a feather wing, I think, 100 fire SSR, and it is 6 out of 10. This is a double. Okay, now we have a heart chainsaw. It has diamonds around, and it is a red themed heart-shaped chainsaw with, I think it's bandage around it and some white paint on the end. It is 100 fire SSR, and it is a 6 out of 10. Okay, this is like the Chinese New Year gold. It is 100 fire SSR and 6 out of 10. The last one, it is a bee, a cute bee. This is 100 fire SSR, and we have 6 out of 10. And we still have one. This is the puncher, 100 fire SSR, 6 out of 10. And then this is the last one. This is like the space tools. See you guys in next video. Like and subscribe if I should do more of these videos. Bye!